Today we're going to be checking out the all-new LED flush mount taillights for the 1986 to 1992 Jeep Comanche MJ.
All right, so let's take a look at what comes in the box. So first we have our left and right tail lamp units. And these feature high-powered stop, turn, and also reverse lights. Next, we have all of our included hardware and connectors. So we actually give you brand new hardware and screws to replace all of the old hardware in the rear, as well as brand new connectors which are updated and weather packed to get rid of those old corroded connectors that are original in the truck. You can grab these now in either the classic red lens or smoked lens option at oraclelights.com.